350 million tons of plastic enters landfill every year. One truckload of plastic enters our oceans every minute. 120 billion units of beauty packaging is produced yearly, which enters the environment and landfill. It's up to all of us to make a change for our future. INIKA Organic. Pure with purpose. The world's first plastic-neutral makeup brand. Our packaging is made from 90% sustainable materials. We have minimized virgin plastic use by 84%, from 8.1 to 1.3 tons. We will help collect 4.7 tons of plastic in 2022, which will be repurposed into fence posts. These are then donated to struggling communities affected by fire and droughts. The highest certified beauty brand in the world. Makeup that benefits your skin. Skincare backed by clinical performance. INIKA Organic.